The correct care and maintenance of your equipment is important for long-term therapy success. Your mask component should be disassembled and washed regularly. Some items need washing daily, others weekly. It is recommended you use pure soap. Rinse all parts with fresh water after washing. Do not clean any items in your dishwasher. To prepare for washing, completely remove the headgear by detaching all 4 straps from the mask base. The top straps are removed using the hidden strap releases. Slide downward until you see the bottom of the hook, then slide out. Remove the silicone seal. Separate the elbow from the mask and the non-rebreathing valve from the elbow by using a snapping motion. After every use, you should wash your mask base, elbow, non-rebreathing valve and silicone seal in warm, soapy water. Once a week, you should also wash your headgear in warm, soapy water. After rinsing, all items should be allowed to dry out of direct sunlight. To assemble your mask again after washing, place the silicone seal into the mask base. Work your way around the mask, ensuring the silicone seal is slotted into the ridge correctly. Click the elbow into the non-rebreathing valve and then connect to the mask base. Lay the headgear flat with the label side down. Position the assembled mask over the headgear and attach each of the 4 straps onto the corresponding slots on the mask. This easy headgear assembly prevents the need to refit your mask. Your mask is now ready for use again.